Okay, guys, this is Lego Avengers by Marvel. This is number 76125. This does come with two books. One book will go ahead and actually put together your blue guy right there. And then the other book is to go ahead and put the remainder of the set together, which looks like this. So go ahead and kind of open it up here. There you go. So you can kind of see how you can go ahead and build that set. This actual set is going to be for ages 7 and over, and it does have 524 pieces. And it does carry actually all of the Tony Starks and Iron Mans. It does have several different pieces with it. So just to go ahead and kind of show you a little bit of what it includes here. I'm unable to kind of do a full 360 of this just because of the awkwardness of the build. This gun will go ahead and actually shoot just like kind of a lot of the micro figures. You basically just push the little lever and it'll shoot a little bullet, but you can actually go ahead and stretch this out, or you can kind of fold it in like so. But for the most part, this one is going to be about a little more than a foot long, and with him standing on top, it's going to measure about 6.5 inches tall. So just wanted to go ahead and kind of give you a really quick view of what this looked like. There you go.